this video, we're going to be talking about sentences and writing some sentences. And remember, sentences always begin with a capital letter and they end with a period. So make sure that you always remember that. They always begin with a capital letter and they end with a period. Always. But they also always talk about someone or something, and that someone and something is always doing some type of action. If there's not an action word, it is not a sentence. So I'm going to write a sentence and we're going to talk about it. I feed. Here's a word that's one of your sight words. The fish. Now, I feed the fish. Does it have a person in it? Yes. I. That is the someone or something the sentence is talking about. What does the I do? I do what? I feed. That is the action word in it. So it has a someone and it has an action. Does it begin with a capital letter? Yes, it does. Does it have a little period at the end, some type of punctuation? Yes, it does. Okay, so you tell me, what are some things you do? And if you were in class with me, I would have you tell me. But you're not in class with me, so I have to put my thinking cap on and I have to guess. I'm guessing some of you play at the park, right? Sometimes do you play at the park? So let's see. Let's change Carlo so you can tell my one sentence from another one. I play at Do you know that word? That's a sight word. The park. Now, what else are some things you might do? Maybe you pet the dog. Okay, let's look at these two sentences to begin with. I play at the park. Does it mention a someone or a something? Yes, I. That is the someone in the sentence. What does the someone do? What do? I play. Play is the action word. So we have a someone. We have an action word. Let's see what else we have. I play. What else? Does it have a period? Yes, it has a period. What else does it have? Does it begin with a capital letter? Yes, it begins with a capital letter. Those are our four things for having a correct sentence. Capital letter, punctuation, having a someone or a something, and having an action word. And it meets all four of those categories. Let's look at this next one. Pet the dog. Who pets the dog? It doesn't say, does it? So this is not a complete sentence. We have to fix this sentence. So we are going to do we pet the dog. Now, does it have a someone or a something? We is the someone or something. Does it have an action word? Pet is an action. That's a word. Does it begin with an uppercase capital letter? Yes, it does. Do we have any punctuation at the end? No, we do not. We need to put a period at the end. Only when we have met those four things is it a complete sentence. Okay, let's do a couple of more. What else might you do? Oh, I know a good one. I bet you guys like to do this. Eat pizza. How many of you like to eat pizza? I'll bet most of you do. Eat pizza. Now forget I said it was you or I. Just look at what we wrote. Eat pizza. Does that have a word that is a someone or something in it? No, it does not. So we have to fix this. I eat pizza. Now, does it have a someone or something? Yes. Does it have an action word? Is I doing something in the sentence? I eat. That is the action. Eating is an action. Does it begin with an uppercase capital letter? Yes. Does it end in a punctuation? No, we don't have that period at the end, do we? Now, look at this sentence. And this has almost all sight words in it. We have to figure out one word. And I will help you with that one. Okay, let's look at this one. What's this word? We like to run. You didn't know that one because we haven't learned that one yet. Run. Now, does it have a someone? Yes, we. Does it have an action? Well, like is kind of an action in this case. Like. Does it begin with a capital letter? Yes. Uppercase capital W. Now, look at this funny little mark that I made at the end of it. That is called an exclamation point. You will see 3 types of punctuation, and only 3. You will, at the end, you will see a period whenever we're just saying something general. You will see a question mark when we are asking a question. And then you will see an exclamation point. An exclamation point is when we say something and we're really, really, really excited about it. We like to run. Whenever we see the exclamation point, we say it with a lot of excitement. We like to run. Okay? So remember, a lot of excitement there. Let's say it with emotion, with feeling, with expression. Ready? We like to run. Good job on your sentences today, class. I hope you have a great rest of your evening.